Hello dear traders, let us see how markets evolved last week. The US dollar edged lower last week while US stocks were almost flat. No significant economic data came out on Monday in US and US stock exchanges were closed for the Martin Luther King holiday. The US dollar index advanced a bit amid a slump in British pound over concerns for possible hard Brexit with UK leaving not only the European Union but also the single market and other European structures. Amid this, the pound tumbled to 32-year low since May 1985. On Tuesday, Theresa May said she would work to defend the free trade between UK and European Union. After that, pound sterling showed record daily surge since 1998, while the US dollar index fell respectively. No significant economic news came out on Tuesday. US stock market shrugged off all the pound fluctuations and edged lower early last week. The additional negative came from Donald Trump, who said he was planning to renounce the Obamacare medical insurance program and could launch a probe into pricing policies of drug makers. As a result, Nasdaq Biotech Index lost 2%. December inflation data came out in US on Wednesday. Consumer prices increased 2.1% year-on-year to their highest since October 2012, which exceeded the Fed target level of 2%. Nevertheless, the US dollar advanced partly due to the speech of Janet Yellen, who hinted on future rate hikes until the end of 2019. Additional positive was the record December manufacturing production growth in 2 years. Stock indices edged higher on Wednesday, within the narrow flat trend which has been in evidence since mid-December 2016. The next day, on Thursday, the indices edged lower back. Investors were reluctant to open positions ahead of inauguration of Donald Trump. The US housing data came out positive. Moreover, weekly unemployment fell to the lowest since November 1973. At first, US dollar index surged on this positive data but then closed with small losses. No significant economic data came out on Friday. The inauguration ceremony of President Donald Trump took place. US assets traded little changed. The US dollar index edged lower while stock advanced slightly. Investors expect details on Trump's economic program and probable revision of military contracts with major US companies. Preliminary earnings forecasts are quite optimistic. Total earnings of S&P 500 may rise 6.3% in fourth quarter of 2016 and 13.6% in first quarter of 2017. Not much economic data are due this week, but they are expected to impact markets. The new home sales, wholesale inventories, and trade balance for December will come out on Thursday, as well as market composite and services PMIs for January. The fourth quarter GDP, durable goods orders, and consumer confidence index from the Michigan University will come out on Friday. This was all for the week. Happy trading and see you next week.